Hi there, it's Kia Commodore here, host of Pennies to Pounds, a podcast and online platform making your financial lifestyle accessible and fun. And now I'm working with Legal & General to bring you a brand new podcast. It's called A Little Bit Richer, and I'm hoping it'll make you just that. Each week, from Thursday the 14th of September, for the next few months, I'll be bringing you bite-sized financial tips and tricks. We're talking the stuff that they didn't teach us at school, but you need to know to survive adulting in your 20s and early 30s. Everything from making sense of your payslip, to mortgages and pensions, to financial well-being and mental health. I'm going to jargon bust all of this until you are totally clear on everything from ISAs to investments. It's all part of helping make sure you're making the best financial decisions for you. And I won't be doing it alone either. I'll have loads of great guests helping me along the way. So, hit follow now, tell all your mates, and check back on September 14th for the first 2 episodes. And together, let's get a little bit richer.